In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust speed in Elevenlabs. Whether you're aiming for a slower or faster pace, tweaking the speed settings can significantly enhance the experience of your text-to-speech applications. It can add that perfect finishing touch to your project or make the content suit a specific purpose or audience. Let's get started. First, head over to the Elevenlabs homepage. If you're new to Elevenlabs, it's an innovative platform designed for high-quality text-to-speech conversion. Once you're logged in, you'll find a user-friendly interface filled with various tools that allow you to customize the audio generation process fully. From the homepage, look for the text-to-speech option. This will usually be prominently displayed because it's one of the core features that Elevenlabs offers. Clicking on this option will direct you to a page specifically dedicated to text-to-speech controls and settings. This is where the magic happens. On the text-to-speech page, focus your attention on the right-hand side. Here, you'll find several sections, but the one we're interested in is the speed section. Adjusting the speed is crucial, whether you want the speech to be fast-paced for engaging, upbeat content, or slower to provide clear, deliberate enunciation that suits educational or formal material better. Take a moment to explore the speed control options. You'll notice sliders or selection inputs that allow you to fine-tune the speech rate. If your goal is to increase the speed, slide the control to the right, which accelerates the speech output. Conversely, if you wish to decrease the speed for a more leisurely delivery, slide the control to the left. As you adjust the speed, think about your audience and the context. For example, if your audience is composed of young children or non-native speakers, you might want to opt for a slower speed to ensure better comprehension. On the other hand, a faster speed might resonate better with tech-savvy audiences who are used to brisker forms of communication. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, it's a good idea to test out the modified setting. Many platforms offer a preview or play option, and Elevenlabs is no exception. Take advantage of this feature to hear how your text sounds with your selected speed. It's your chance to make any further tweaks and ensure the final product meets your expectations. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively adjust the speed settings within Elevenlabs, giving you control over the pacing of your text-to-speech outputs. This flexibility ensures you can tailor your content to suit any audience or purpose. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.